Do you want to master your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and grammar in just 30 days? By spending only 30 minutes every day, this course will help you build confidence, accuracy, and fluency so you sound more natural, just like a native speaker. This course works because it's practical and focused on real-life examples that you actually need for everyday English, both in business and social situations. It includes engaging practice activities such as role plays and quizzes so you can test and reinforce your knowledge. There's only about 40% theory in this course, the rest is hands-on practice. By spending just 30 minutes every day for 30 days, you'll build a consistent learning habit that leads to noticeable improvement. These short, focused sessions add up quickly, and the structured design of the course ensures that every day contributes to real progress. I've designed this course with my professional experience in mind, and I've structured the learning in such a way that you'll gain skills that don't just help you during this course, but also will set you up for ongoing improvements in your English long after the 30 days are over. So what are you waiting for? Start now.